Hi, I'm Daisy. Welcome to NiftyInterio. Today we are here for a house tour in My Home Tridasa Tellapur. We are going to give you a glimpse of whatever we have done to elevate the beauty of this house. So this is a 1253 SFT, beautifully designed 2 BHK house. So right now we are in the living area where this is the TV unit. We have given a TV console storage below the TV unit where we have used wooden and off-white laminate. Along with that we have given this 2 mm edge binding to avoid all the sharp edges, and also we have given this black profile glass doors with profile storage area to hide the switches and the wires. So this is one of the highlighting area of the living room. We have designed this wall beautifully with some louvers and profile lights, and we have given these 2 ledges which is multi-purpose. We can use it either as a bookshelf or to keep any of the artifacts here. And here in the living area, this beautiful L-shaped sofa that is elevating the look of the room. Along with that, we have designed this opposite TV unit opposite wall with some rectangular pattern which we used MDF including Duco paints over there. In the ceiling, we have kept it minimal but beautiful. We have used all these cove lightings including rope lights to elevate it. We are here in the vanity area where we have given this base storage. Along with that, we have provided a designer mirror and designed the partition in a very unique and traditional way. We have used all these terracotta tiles to design. Along with that, we have given this wooden framing here. So this is the crockery unit of the house. We have given quartz countertop here, the base storage which includes this 2 openable shutters and 2 drawers, and we have given this wooden ledge here, and above that we have used this black profile with fluted glass. Inside this we have given some profile lights to elevate the look. In the dining area towards the balcony, we have given this wooden pelmet to hide the channels of the curtains, and including that we have provided this 2-layer curtains which is sheer and blackout. And here also for the ceiling we have made it almost same as the living area where we have given cove lights and profile lights to highlight the area. Entering to the pooja area, we have made the partition as similar to the vanity area partition. which includes this terracotta tiles and wooden framing here. Along with that, to the south wall, we have given this beautiful traditional looking wallpaper, and we have highlighted it with all these profile lights and wooden framing around the wall. And we have given very minimal ledges for the puja room. Including that, we have given this countertop marble and some additional storage for. Entering to the most important area of the house, which is the kitchen. We have designed it very beautifully with this white countertop, which is where we have used quartz, and all the laminates outside we have used matte laminate. Including that, we have given some profile lights for the kitchen, and we have covered all the base storage, head level storage and loft for entire kitchen. Here we have given the storage area below the sink. The sink we have used is also quartz as the countertop. We have given here one bottle pull out. We have given some tandem baskets including cutlery trays. Here this is for the plates and bigger size burden we have given. This is a corner unit. There are few more base storage here. We have given all openable shutters without handle. And this is a tall unit where we have provided the provision for microwave, and we have given this beaker basket as well. Here is the area. We have given this ledge for all small size storages. Above the ledge, we have used this lift up shutters where we have used black profiles with fluted glass. We have provided the hob and chimney here. And here another profile doors for giving some additional storage, including this black profile and fluted glass shutters. Right now we are in the master bedroom, and here we are next to the wardrobe. We have given sliding shutters here, designed it with matte finish laminate. Along with that, we have provided this fluted laminate. Instead of giving it as loft, we have used the storage below the wardrobe, and we have given this flap down openable shutters here. And right next to the wardrobe, we have given this low sitting because there's a window, and we have given some additional storage as well. Right next to the bed headboard, we have used this cushioning to design the headboard side of the bed. We have provided a king size bed along with hydraulic storage inside. Adding to that, we have given some profile lights inside to highlight the area, and this beautiful designer hanging light is adding little more beauty to the room. The opposite side wall also, we have provided the same sliding shutter wardrobe along with that flap down storage area below that. Like previously we have shown you the other side. Here is the dressing area. We have given a 7-foot long full length mirror and some minimal storage for the cosmetics and all. We have used the same laminate and the fluted laminate for the drawers here as well. And right now we are in the kids bedroom. Here is the storage cum study area of the bedroom. We have given this tall unit with openable shutters with this minimal handles. And here is the study table where we have provided 2 drawers for storage and this ledges for books and any other miscellaneous. And here is another ledge for using it as a working unit or study unit. Additional, this is the bed we have provided with hydraulic storage, and here we have given this bed back side paneling with cushioning. For the bed headboard sides, we have designed this wooden framing along with this wallpaper which is kids friendly. Here is the wardrobe for the kids bedroom. We have given sliding shutters here. We have used this textured laminate along with that this matte laminate. Instead of using the 2-foot storage for the loft, we have used it as open shelf to keep bigger size baskets and boxes.
Hey, hi everyone, my name is Dilip. So my experience with Nifty was very great, I would say. So let me take the journey with Nifty. So when I started, I actually have seen a YouTube video of Keshav sir explaining the interiors part, which they have done recently in one of the flats in the community. So I've seen that video and directly approached Mr. Keshav. So he has given me an appointment actually to come and meet him personally in the office. So that is when actually I've interacted with Keshav first. So then he assigned Sandeep as a project manager. So I had a couple of interactions with Sandeep, and I'm pretty much actually like have some budget on my mind. So every time actually during my so many discussions which I had with Sandeep, I don't want to cross that budget. So keeping in budget in my mind, Sanjeev gave me a quotation, so I went ahead with the quotation. Again, after a few discussions which I had with Sandeep, so they've assigned a project manager, this designer called Satvika. So she did a fantabulous job, I would say. We had so many iterations, I would say, in terms of design. She incorporated every design, every change that we have suggested. There are so many iterations which happened with Satvika during our visit to the office in terms of selection as well. She made sure actually everything was pretty clear, and everything and every change was accepted till the last moment. And finally, I would like to thank Mr. Avinash, who is our site manager. And whenever since I'm working like since from Monday to Saturday, so I couldn't get time. So Avinash is the only point of contact that I used to get updates from him. Whatever like the project work, the status of the work, and everything were given to me in the WhatsApp. I think it's pretty good. It's a very, very good job done by the entire Nifty team, and I would like to recommend Nifty for your flat interiors as well.
Hi, I'm Jayanti, and we are very happy associating with Nifty. They have done a very good and a great job. The outcome is very good, and the team is also very friendly. We were very happy interacting with the team too. We would really thank the site manager Avinash and our designer Satvika. They were very helpful for us, and they are very patient also. Yeah, that's it. Even we would recommend go with Nifty.